Welcome back, guys. If you want to know the steps and how to achieve a nice crispy fried chicken, well, just keep on watching. And this one has a twist as it's spicy, crispy, and delicious. Okay, guys, here is a whole chicken I already cut, and I have a video of that one, how to cut a whole chicken in proper pieces. And I already washed with lime and vinegar, and I'm just adding my spices. And all the spices used will be on the screen and also in the description box below. And you'll see me use a pepper chicken season. That one is really spicy, guys. So that's why we'll be able to achieve this spicy fried chicken without the hot pepper sauce. So just keep on watching, guys. Okay, here I'm using some seasoned Goya. That's going to give us a nice, bright, pretty color on our spicy fried chicken. And we're going to leave some to put in our batter. We're just going to season this well, put to marinate for at least an hour. Then we come back to prepare the batter. Okay, guys, here we're prepping our coating. Here I have all-purpose flour. I'm going to add some cornstarch, our pepper chicken season, and as I mentioned, guys, it's very spicy, trust me. I'm going to add some dry thyme, paprika, complete season, garlic powder, black pepper. All the ingredients will be on the screen and also in the description box below. And after that, I'm just going to mix that well. Add my ice water. That's where the trick comes in. Add my ice water and then we can do the coating. So just keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, we have completely with the coating butter or coat. And there I have my ice water. I have enough oil in my pot. Now I'm just adding some aroma to my pot. I'm going to add garlic, ginger, and add pepper just to give my eyes some flavoring. Okay. For the coating now, here I'm dipping it in the flour. Shake off the excess. Dip in my ice water back into the flour. And we're going to do a couple of pieces so we don't overcrowd the pot. And we're going to fry these on both sides until they're golden and crunchy and cooked inside. You want to do this on medium to low flame. Then you can turn up the heat after it's completely cooked just to give it that extra crunch. And we repeat the steps. Just keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, I think these are ready to take out. Yes, and I'm just checking these with my fork by poking. And by poking into the chicken, if there's liquid coming out, then you know that they're not completely cooked. So yes, these are golden brown and crunchy. And I'll remove them and put them in a bowl or plate lined with paper towel. And we continue frying the others. Yes, this is what we're talking about, guys. Look at the color. Yes. Very crunchy, guys, and full of flavor. If you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. It will mean a lot to me. And also put your notification bell on. In that way you won't miss another upload. To my returning supporters, thank you guys so much. To my channel members, thank you for the love and support. And if you're loving what you're seeing, please check out the link below. Yes, I'll place some more yummy videos there. You can also check out my Yummylicious playlist. Yes. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.